What's up, guys? In today's video I will show you how to get free Reelshort coins on your device. If I go to my profile, I currently have 50,000 coins in my Reelshort balance, as you can see on your screen. And so you know this method is 100% safe and free as well. This mod works for both iOS and Android. All you need to do is open Chrome browser on your device and then go to cashtut.com. It will bring you to this page. And all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you find the Reelshort mod app for mobile devices. Then tap on it. It will then bring you to this page where you can get the mod right away. Just select your device type here, be it iOS or Android. This is to ensure you download the correct version for your device type. And just like that, it will then begin the installation process. And once it is completed, the Reelshort Coins mod will be installed to your device instantly.